Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I will be reading a Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at DannyGSThoughtForToday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Listening to your authentic self. You were created with purpose, uniqueness, and gifts. Don't try to follow someone else's path, for they have their own journey and strengths. Listen to your inner guidance, to who you truly are, and to your authentic self. It won't fail, and you'll realize there's a world inside waiting to be discovered. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for my wife, and I am very grateful for my family. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.